Hi everyone, here's how you can create a small version of a chart that floats on top of the main chart. This is particularly useful if you want to zoom in to a particular area. Now this example is of Bitcoin. Now as an aside, if you're interested in cryptocurrency data, we provide end of day data for a number of cryptos which you can add to your account, and we also work with a couple of real-time providers. So this is from CryptoWatch. They provide hundreds of real-time cryptocurrency data. So just go to the knowledge base, search for CryptoWatch, and you'll find examples of how to add that to your account. But anyway, let's I'm going to remove this from the chart and show you how to pin that small version on top. So here we have Bitcoin. So I'm going to just right click on the chart, go to the Running Man, Actions, and Clone Chart. And that's going to create a copy. So if I had tools and indicators on that initial chart, everything will be copied over. So it's the same time frame. This is in log scale. But what I'm going to do is just grab the corner, make it smaller. I'm going to hide the history slider, and I'm going to turn off the decimal places just to make it the chart area a bit bigger. And then what I'm going to do is change it from daily to 60 minute. Now the key thing is this icon here to pin. So when I turn that on, this is going to float on top of all other charts. So if we tile charts, it will stay in place, but we can now move this anywhere on the chart. And if we move the cursor into the main chart and roll our mouse wheel back to zoom out, the underlying chart moves. But if we go into the smaller window and do it, that zooms in and out as well on the 60 minutes. So I'm just going to drag that down here. I'm going to zoom in into the daily chart. Actually, let's move that here. And if you're publishing or printing charts, you can put it wherever you like, and then maybe draw some lines. So I got under my folder here for trend lines, I can just draw things like that, so you can show that it's zooming into that candle or those couple of days, and you can see the 60-minute price action. Hope that's been useful. Any questions, please let us know. Thanks very much.